Okay, this is a Ford. It's an older style. 4-button remote. There's no screws, and you can't really see anything. Little indents to pull it apart. But right at the front here, now you have to pull out the ring. There's be a little ring. Take that out of there. Again, the key's hanging off the ring. So remove the ring. Take your quarter. Usually does the trick. Just give it a little twist. You can use a big flathead screwdriver if you want. And it just comes apart nicely. Now, this one's a little bit different. You just don't twist it off. You got to slide it out a little bit. There we go. And again, this is a popular CR 2032. That's a replacement. I like to use good quality batteries. I like the Energizers. I like the Duracells. I don't like the offshore stuff or the dollar store. They just don't last. So again, this is a good, replace it with a good quality battery. Again, you just slide it. Now this one you got to slide it in because you got those tabs there. And we just line it up nicely and just clip it together. Ford 4-button remote. Now we'll just go through this one more time. Again, you can tell it quickly. It has no screws, no prying area. You have to take off the ring. So there would be a ring on here. Take that off. Put your quarter in there or a flathead screwdriver. Leatherman. Give it a little twist. Comes apart nicely. This has to slide out. There we go. Again, if you get lost which way, this has no sort of directions. Just the contacts have to go on the back, not where it's written. So you see little contacts there. Just slide it back in. This one's the CR 2032. And just clip it back. Put your ring back on, put your key on there. There we go. Ford button, Ford remote. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.